To set up eSIM on Honor 600, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate in mobile networks, and then we can enter SIM management. Now click on the second SIM card, and here make sure that eSIM is selected. After that, you'll be able to click on a plus button, which allows you to set up new eSIM, or you can also transfer it from your other device. But to use that second option, it is restricted to different regions, so if you don't see this option, then you won't be able to do it. And now we can click on the first option, and after that we'll be able to set up our eSIM in 3 different ways. Also make sure that you allow every permission that will pop up, and here we can scan QR code on the carrier for our eSIM using the camera. We can also enter activation code manually, and lastly we can scan QR code from the photo that we've already taken right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.